Hello all, welcome back. New day, new video. And just received a shipment today and I thought I would just make a raw video of it, unboxing the same as I have done a couple of times previously for you. Got the shipment. This is it. This is just now from Flipkart actually. See what I've got actually. Oh, okay. Actually, the problem is I had not ordered this model at all. This is a different model. See the box, you can see it's open on one side. There's nothing on it. Okay, seems a returned parcel, I don't know. Okay, it's broken on this side. I don't know how these guys ship the products. And I had ordered actually a green Mustang and I have received this. What is this? Okay, this is an Audi R8 GT. No, it's a completely different product. I don't know what to do. Means this is the second consecutive time my shipment has come wrong. The first one had the one which was a broken Defender, and this one is not actually broken, but it has actually complete different product. So I don't know why these guys do like this. I don't understand. Product wise, maybe it's good. There are red seats inside. It's an R8 GT. There's no branding of Audi, obviously. It's not a licensed version. Seats are red, black alloys. I don't think any other feature is there in this car. The rear engine bay is opening. Other than that, there is nothing actually in the car. It might be a pullback. That's it. Yes, it is. I don't understand. These guys ship the product. They know what the customer has ordered, and then they ship a completely different product purposely. Why do they do this? In the first shipment, I was actually totally shocked since the tail door was broken, and this one at least nothing is broken. But actually I'm disappointed because this is not what I have ordered. I already have a GT Audi in my collection. I needed a Mustang. Definitely this is not fair. I don't know why these sellers do it. Yes, definitely there will be a return window for this. I'll surely see when to return this. At least it is not damaged as the last shipment. So I'll think about it if to return it or not. But definitely this is not fair on the seller side to do with the customers like this. How will the customers trust the seller again? I will not buy anything from the seller again. Anyways guys, that's it from my side. Another raw video for you of the unboxing. If you like this, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.